This is Anmula Narsimlu. Today's importance of the day. June 5th is the Environmental Day. Now, regarding this day celebrations and its importance of the day, what it causes and solutions, and as per my knowledge, few words related to this day. World Environmental Day celebrated every year June 5th. This celebration was started by 1974. It is a global campaign celebrated to raise the awareness on environmental issues all over the world. This is globally celebrated by run by United Nations. This celebrations was done by the United Nations, United Nations organizations. Every year it has different themes. Every year this day is come with a different theme. Like this year also one theme is there. Now ecosystem and restoration. This year theme is ecosystem and restoration. Ecosystem and restoration theme is this year's. This day is crucially as highlights the importance of the environmental and nature. The various activities are organized all over the world to make people aware the nature, how to protect the nature. This day is raised to the environmental issues like marine population, global warming, human overpopulation and air pollution, the various kind of population control, everything is under this day, and important activities done towards this day. It is our duty to make of or take care of motherland or mother earth to restore it, which things are lost. This day is also called as Eco Day and Environmental Day and etc. The importance of this day is every human being have a responsibility to protect our mother earth. So every person have a responsibility. Nowadays the people not having the awareness of the protecting of the earth. If polluting is going on, every human being, every household person polluting the earth, knowingly or unknowingly, using of the plastic and other pollution thoughts, and using of this global warming activities, producing of the chlorofluoric acids, this everything is comes under the this protection of the mother earth. Everybody can have a responsibility to feel to protect our mother earth. Otherwise in future generations not having sufficient place to live, sufficient situation to live, climate to live. Even today also, compared to the last few decades, we have lot of problems. So in olden days there is no this kind of issues, pollution problems not there, diseases, all kind of situations will came with only for the human activities. Mostly in our surroundings, all over the world, whatever our place, not only our places, all over the world. Now agriculture lands must be converted into commercial lands in the form of real estate, form of other kind of activities. Now this greenery is grown up mostly for this forest animals coming to the villages, towns. So they are not having protection in this forest, so that they came and they occupying our places. So ecosystem problem, all over all species of the animals